Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing how to organize your wardrobe in 3 easy steps. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Patty. I do fashion and beauty videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So now let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to be sharing how to organize your wardrobe in 3 easy steps. Now during this quarantine time, I feel like this is the perfect time to kind of get into your closet and just kind of clean it out and just organize it. Also, we're going into another season, so this is just a perfect time to just kind of get in your closet and clean it out. Me personally, I just recently did this and it kind of inspired me to do this video, and my closet was just overflowing. It was just a hot mess.com. And sometimes I just wonder, just how does the closet just kind of get like that? Because I'll go ahead and clean it, and then in a few months it just kind of little by little starts to kind of get like that again. And me personally, I work with fashion brands throughout the year, so I get more clothes on top of the ones that I buy. So my closet was just kind of just overspilling, and I don't have like the biggest space, so I started to feel like I literally had nothing to wear, and it's because I just can't visualize what I have in there. And I feel like that sometimes happens to us when you kind of feel like you don't have nothing to wear, but you have so much stuff in your closet. And honestly, that's kind of like the big thing, is just cleaning out your closet, and I promise you, after that, you'll kind of just see the whole big picture and you'll feel like you actually have outfits to wear. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to organize your wardrobe with just 3 easy steps. Alright guys, so step number 1 is take everything out. Take it out, take it out, take it out. Take every single piece out of your closet out. I know it just seems very overwhelming just taking everything out, but just kind of starting with a clean closet and just seeing all your clothes laid out, you're kind of going to be starting from scratch, and it just helps better just seeing the closet completely empty. And this also helps because as you start taking everything out, at least for me, I know that I found things just kind of stuffed in the back, things that I kind of forgot, and they were just stuffed in the back because they kind of just fell off the hanger or something like that. So just definitely take every single thing out and just lay it out. Lay it out on top of your bed, lay it out on the floor, whatever works for you, but just take everything out and just lay everything out so you can physically see it. It can seem a bit overwhelming just kind of taking everything out, but that's kind of like the beginning start to this process and just kind of organizing your wardrobe. All right, and here comes step 2. Decide what you want. Go through every single piece and decide what you want. Me personally, this is kind of how I do it. For me, if it's something that I haven't worn in 2 seasons, it's gone. For example, right now I cleared out my closet to kind of have stuff for spring and summer laid out now, and just put away all the winter stuff. So for example, if it's a crop top that I've had for 2 summers and I don't wear it this summer, it's definitely going, because I'm just carrying it season to season and I'm not going to wear it. Also, just look at the pieces and just ask yourself the question, is this something I'm going to wear 2 seasons from now? Or is this piece something who I am now? Just kind of start assessing your clothes and see if it's something that you're going to keep wearing or something that you're not. If it's something that you're going to keep wearing, or it's just something that just kind of has reached its maximum in your wardrobe and you know that it's something you're not going to wear. So now that you've kind of separated the clothes that you don't want from the ones that you are going to keep, so now with that pile of clothes of things that you're not going to keep and things you don't want, you can do a few things with that. You can either donate it, you can do a co-assignment, you can give it away, or you can throw it away. So things that you're kind of going to throw away is something that's old, that's probably stained or has too many fuzzies, or something that just ripped, just something that's just absolutely not going to be good, not even to donate, to give to anybody. It's just something that's absolutely trash. So just kind of put that to the side, that's going to the trash. And then you can also give away maybe to sisters, to cousins, or if you don't want to do that, you can also go ahead and donate to kind of like your local Goodwill or any store like that that would take used items. And then if you have something that's in good condition, you can try a co-assignment store, or you can also sell your clothes on kind of like apps like Poshmark. It's kind of all depends up to you. But now you have kind of just divided the clothes that you're not going to keep, and you're just going to get them out of your wardrobe and do something with them, and now you have the clothes that you're going to keep. Then me personally, in this process, I go ahead and separate my clothes by season. So right now I went ahead and I took out mostly all the sweaters, heavy sweaters, and big coats and things like that, to just kind of store away and just kind of now have like a fresh spring going into summer wardrobe. Alright guys, and step number 3 is organize. Now this is where the fun comes. Now some people organize their clothes very differently from others. There's many different ways to do them. So it just kind of all depends on your style and how you like it. So you can organize it by garment type, by length, and by color. So some people like to do it by garment type, and that's kind of just having kind of like all your sweaters together, all your dresses together, all your blazers together, all your crop tops together, just kind of having the same garment together in your closet. And then also some people kind of like to do it by length. Now this kind of all depends on what kind of closet style do you have. If you do have like a lot of space where you can have stuff kind of hanging down and you can actually see them, this is a nice way to just kind of see like your long dresses or long cardigans, just kind of see everything in order by length. And then some people kind of like it by color. That's also nice to see, depending on what kind of mood you're in. If you want to wear something fresh and airy, or if you want to wear something bright, you kind of have all those colors just kind of flowing together in your wardrobe. The way I personally like to do it is a mix of the three. So first I like to do garment types. So for example, I have all my sweaters together, and then within those garment types, then I go ahead and do lengths. So kind of like the longer sweaters, like tunics, I put in the back, and then I gradually go ahead and put them as they get shorter, just to keep them in some kind of length, just to kind of keep them in some kind of order. And then within that, I go ahead and just kind of put them in color as well. So I kind of put the lighter ones in the front and then the darker ones in the back. So I kind of do a mix of all three, just all in one. That's just my personal way to do it. But again, you can do it by however type that you like. Now this is just now all about your personal style and how you want to have things in your wardrobe. Do you want to fold your jeans? Do you need some bins? And also me personally, I like to have all the hangers facing the same way and all the exact same color. My husband thinks I'm crazy for having my closet like that, but I'm just like a little bit of a freak organized person. I just love to have my hangers facing the same way, and they all have to be the same color. But now this is all your personal preference on how you want your closet to look. Comment down below guys and let me know, how do you guys like to kind of organize your closet? Are you more of the color, more of the length, or more of the garment type? Or are you like me where you kind of like to mix a little bit of the three all in its own? Alright guys, those are my 3 tips on how to organize your wardrobe. I feel like once you clean out your wardrobe, everything is just laid out nicely. You see everything. You just kind of feel like you actually have more stuff to wear once everything is actually laid out, and things that you can actually find now in your closet. Since now we are home during this quarantine, I feel like this is such a good thing to kind of do to kind of get your mind off of things that are going on. It also kind of physically helps you kind of move around, and also you're organizing and cleaning, and it's just a great thing to do around this time. I hope you guys enjoyed these tips, and I hope that it helps you organize your wardrobe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That link is down below. There's a new video here on Sundays, on Tuesdays, and on Thursdays. And that is it guys. I will see you guys in my next video.